Hey guys, today we'll be working on the ignition key cylinder for 2000 Dodge Ram pickup. It'll be the same as the 1500, but this one is a 2500. The problem with these, a friend of mine has the key. Sometimes it doesn't turn. It's hard to turn to on and start. So they gave us this ignition cylinder switch thing, and let's see if we can make him a new one. Right here, rekey it, read the wafers, or find an alternative way to read the beating with the key and the wafers. All right, let's get started. Alright, first thing guys, we already ordered the new cylinder here. This is the new one that we're going to be using, and it's a kit. It comes with wafers on, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 a set, and a couple of springs right here, as you can see. And this is the key what we have right here. And first thing we need to read, couple things that we can do is open this up and read the wafers, or this is the easiest way to do it without opening this, is to read it with our key tool max with a condor. So if you've been watching my video, I'll show you how to, it's like making a new key. You go to decode key. So this one I actually decoded this key, and I have the biting right here. So starting here from the inside is 3124231 and we know that's right, but let's go ahead, open the old one, and we'll see if we have the same wafers numbers. All right, first you have to put the key in, make sure that it does turn. To remove these, you have to pin, let me see this little pin here? You're gonna push that, which is my great idea to figure it out. Okay, when you push that in, and then turn past, going to the off position, past that, and then you look on this side. Let's see if we get a better lighting. Right here, and that should come out. This notch here, be past that notch, like that, and you should be able to pull it out from here, as you can see. Push one more, leave one more. There's another. See. You gotta make sure that's pushed in, that pin. If you can use this or use your finger. Let's see. You can do it. There you go. Oh. While turning, pass off position. I can use my finger. There you go. I don't have a long fingernails, but push that in. Let's see. I need 2 hands. There you go. See that? Once you press that pin, keep turning until you pass that notch. There you go. And that's out, because he has to go through that. There you go. Then be careful pulling it out. And this is out. can see it's not much lubricated here, so that's good. So now we're gonna read the wafers, match it if everything is right. We have 3 1 2 4 2 3 1 1, and it goes alternate. The farthest one going this way because it's the key. So you can see the tip is towards the right, the tip towards the right. So from here, that's supposed to be 1 1 3, and flip it again 2. All right, we can go start with one side, the farthest one to the key to the right. So we go skip 1 each when you read it. So 1 3 4 and 1. So let's remove the key. And let's read it. You can see that one is not even sticking, going out. There you go. So this is supposedly 1, if you read it right. Let's see, you can't even see it. Think you can wipe that? That's supposed to be 1. And this one's supposed to be 3. Doesn't look like 1, right? Or there's no numbering.
Oh yeah, 0 1.
Is it 1? So this is 1. It's hard to see, guys. Oh, 0 1. That's what it says. So that's 0 1. Let me remove all these. 0 1 3 4 and 1. Then we'll remove this one too. This one. So that's in order right now. So this one is supposed to be 0 1. We can see it. Yes, right here. Yeah, it's like washed out already, but it is 0 1 right here. So you can see right there. That's 0 1. Yeah, that's 0 1. The next one we have is 3. Zero 3. It's hard to read it because it's really old. That's 0 3. And the next one is 4. Right here. This was 0 4. This is right. 0 4. The last one is 0 1. So we're reading the key good. Yeah, it's hard. It's as you can see, they're really dry. This should be lubricated. So this is supposed to be lubricated. I don't know how often, but your key should be lubricated. You could use a WD-40. WD-40 is not really the best one, but that is fine. So if you read the back one, 0 1 2 2 and 3. I believe this is all right. So I'm not even, let me remove it for you. Let's remove it. See, this is sticking. It doesn't really come out easily. That's why it's not turning the key ignition. This all gunk. So that's out. That's out. See, this one doesn't really come out. See that? Stuck. This is getting stuck. I think it's bent. That's what it is. If it doesn't come out like that, that means it's bent. Yeah, this is a little bit bent. this is a little bit bent. It's supposed to come out easily like that one. So we could reuse this tumbler, but we are not gonna do it because we already have the new one. We're just reading it right now. So this one's supposed to be 01. Yeah, it's hard to read, but we already removed them. What we're gonna do is put a new one, a new wafers. We got a new tumbler for cylinder right here, and let's go ahead install it. We're gonna follow these right here. That's our biting, and we can test it later if it's working properly as well. So looking at this, the farthest one that you see is this one. So that's what you're gonna start with, the numbers, and this one has a pretty good numbers right here. So this is 01, this is 2, 3, and 4. So let's go ahead and install it. First thing, you're gonna put the spring, turn the spring, drop it to the hole. Make sure that you don't drop it or it'll spring back out. Actually, before you start with these, we have this lubricate, this Udini. It's like WD-40, but it's better. So you just spray it first. Make sure it's lubricated, and then let's go ahead and install the all the wafers. Okay, guys, before we put together a new ignition cylinder tumbler, this is the old one. I'm just gonna show you how bad it is and what caused it not to turn sometimes. As you can see, the inside of this. Let's see if we can a closer look. See that? It's pretty worn inside, and closer, they're pretty worn. There, see that? That could cause it not to turn, and it's binding. And as you can see here, let's get your flash here real quick. That's really dirty. That's where the wafers and the spring, so it's getting stuck. It's really dirty. And also the springs that we have are, this is the original springs. I'll show you real quick. You can see some of them are bent. There you go. So it's not pushing it properly. So that's why we got everything new. And here's the original wafers. Can't really read the numbers now. There is a number there, but the orientation are not always the same. This one is going vertical, and you will see that's 04. And this one, let me see. So you can't, the 02 right there. It's hard to tell, but that's 02. I can see it. And that one is horizontal. Some are vertical. And this one will be, this is the 01. This is horizontal. It's hard to tell. So that's why the tools that we have, reading the key, tell us how to, what's the right wafer and the depth of it. And this one is 02, as you can see. Yeah, there you go, 02. So we're not using this. This is the original one, the tumbler and the cylinder. We're not gonna use this. We have a new one, and I'm gonna install the new wafers inside, new springs, and I'm gonna put a time lapse real quick, and I'm gonna show you that how it's turning properly now and smoothly. Alright guys, so we already put all the wafers in spring together. As you can see, they're sticking out. So we're gonna put the key in. Put the key in. If I can put the key in. Let's see. Let's go this side. There you go. Key goes in. As you can see, they're all flush. Nothing is sticking out. This is in. So that's really good right now. That's a good indication that we did it right. And make sure everything is lubricated. And don't forget, there's another one that goes in on this end. There's something will go, right here. That hole there. This piece need to go a little tiny. Go. As you can see, that one go this way. There you go. And you do not drop that one. I did drop it. Make sure it's clean. And I'll drop it again. Alright. This is like kind of magnetic, so you gotta put it there. Make sure you drop it pretty good. There you go. Because if you have the key in, that should drop too. And we'll push it out. Alright, so that's good. Once you get that in, this is the new tumbler that we have. Don't forget to put the spring as well on here. Already lubricated. That's the one to lock the hair. So installing it, make sure that, let's see, that way, that this keyway here, it's kind of with this pin here aligned, and then you spin around. We go facing this way. That's where we're gonna go in. And another one, keep spinning. That's gonna drop as well again. See. There you go. As long as that one would lock there. There you go. That's it, guys. So that's good. That is good, guys. So that's off. 1, 2. So that's it. And what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna put another lubrication right here where the key goes in. Alright, and that's how you rekey an old truck. Technically it's not really that old, so this one goes very smooth. Alright guys, I hope you like that video. If you have any questions, just message me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And the keyway that we've used it is the we use the Condor XP, the Condor Dolphin machine, and then this key tool max to figure out the key, the wafers. There you go, guys. All right, to the next video.